Damn it, Brian, you can't die. We were gonna do so many things together. We were gonna become windsurfers. I was gonna be a little better than you, but we were both gonna be good.
You've given me a wonderful life. I love you all.
I'm sorry. He's gone.
Hey, for a second there, I thought that... Leo, can you hear me, Leo? What have I done? Leo, little buddy, little boy, can you hear me, Leo? Leo, please just speak to me. Please, Leo. Just say something. Oh my God. Leo, please come back.
Why?
Leo, please. Just say something to me.
Thank you.
You know what this is like? It's like those old movies we both love. Now I'm gonna tell you my whole plan, and then I'm gonna come up with some absurd and convoluted way to kill you, and you'll find an equally convoluted way to escape.
Sounds good to me.
Well, this ain't that kind of movie.
Who are you? What do you want? Kill the stag!